My dear friends, I am N.K. Mishra, Director, Avian Academy. The Academy is accredited by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Before giving some important message for you regarding a very well acceptable course, Diploma in Banking and Finance in common way, it is a DB&F. I wish to tell you something about the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. The Indian Institute of Banking and Finance was established during the year 1928, means it is about 96 years old, and with the total membership of this institute is more than 10 lakhs, and the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance is largest institute of its kind in the world and is working with a mission to develop professionally qualified and competent bankers and finance professionals, primarily through a process of education, training, examination, consultancy, counseling, and continuing professional development program. Gentlemen, my institute, Avian Academy, is a educational wing of Saroj Nandan Shiksha Vikas Samit, which is registered as trust. We are providing the training in the area of debt recovery agent since last 12 to 13 years, and with the help of more than 27 senior faculty bankers retired from the post of senior management grade and stationed at various places like Calcutta, Bangalore, Indore, and so many other places. This time I am going to brief you regarding one course, Diploma in Banking and Finance, through the Avian Academy. And for other information, I request you people to visit the website of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, that is the www.iibf.org.in. In addition, you can contact us on my email avian.iibf@gmail.com, contact number 7 4 times 0 78705. Repeat again, 7 4 times 0 78705, and other number 7489497054. Gentlemen, I will tell you about the demand of the diploma in banking and finance, which is different from the diploma in banking and finance of other universities and institutions. This diploma in banking and finance assure you people for a job in the banking sector. Reason being that there are a growing demand for qualified manpower for the banking and finance sector in the coming years on account of expansion of volume of business and large scale retirement of the personnel. Banking and finance industry will require professionally qualified manpower endowed with banking and finance knowledge and skill, together with technology and customer orientation and hands-on application skill, who can be assigned to various desk job with minimum training intervention at the bank level. With this motto, this course has been devised, and Indian Bank Association, which is called IBA, has approved Diploma in Banking and Finance examination conducted by the IIBA as a desirable qualification along with other prescribed entry level qualification for recruitment in banks. Gentlemen, not only that, the salient feature of this course is this course will make the candidate job ready. The course is so designed that most employer would value it for talent. This will ensure that banks can reduce their post-retirement training interventions. The diploma carries professional recognition among the banking and the finance community, as it is equivalent to the banking industry recognized JAIB qualification of IIBA. JAIB qualification is the same qualification, same syllabus for the bank employees who are employed in the bank, and after JAIB, the people completes the CAIB. All the bankers you took join this course and get their promotion from entry level till their post of MD, DMD, chairman, and others. What you can say like that. Now I will tell you what are the process. The process of this diploma in banking and finance